Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Spotify tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the picture for your playlist in Spotify. So this is a really cool way to customize your playlist in Spotify and maybe even attract some more followers. Before we get started, I just want to point out that you currently cannot do this in the app on your phone or in the browser. So you'll have to do it on a computer with the Spotify software. Hopefully they allow you to do this on your phone in the future. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you need to do is simply open up the Spotify app on your computer and just log in and then find the playlist in the sidebar that you want to change the profile picture for. Once we load the playlist, all we need to do is select the playlist image right here, and then it will bring up edit playlist details. And this is where we can edit the name and details for the playlist. If we want to change the image, all we need to do is find the three little dots in the top right of the playlist image, and then go to replace image. Find the image that you want to use on your computer, and keep in mind that the image has to be at least 300 by 300 pixels. So if it's too small, this will not work. So I have a nice picture of Tom Hanks here. I'm just going to use that. And as you can see, it did crop it. You do not have the ability to adjust the image at all. So you want to make sure you edit it so that it looks good. It's a square, so it's very similar to like an Instagram image. Once you're done with that, go ahead and select save. And then it will update the image for your playlist on Spotify. Now, if for some reason you want to change this image or remove it, all you need to do is go ahead and select the image again to edit it. And then when you select the three dots, you have first the option to remove the image or replace it using the same method. All right, so that's how you change the picture for the playlist you have on Spotify. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Spotify tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.